My superstars, if you've been thinking of a non-digital skill you can acquire to make money within the shortest period of time, then this skill I'm about to share with you is a high income skill you can acquire with as low as 10,000 naira and then get started. Why do I say 10,000 naira? It's because the 10,000 naira could be for data, okay, and then you watch videos on YouTube and then acquire this skill and get started and make money. But if you want to, you can also go to a physical place and acquire the skill and then make money within the shortest period of time. Okay, so this skill is known as wig revamping. Wig revamping is simply the process of washing a wig and then restyling it, okay, to look like like its initial look, like when the owner first had it. You restore it back to its original state. Okay, sometimes you even make it more beautiful. You restyle it and then make it more beautiful. This is acquired by using chemicals to wash, and then you use lots of things. Okay, so in this video I'll be telling you everything you need to know about starting a wig revamping business and then making money from it. I know some of you will say, ID, this skill is unique to just ladies. No, my superstars, even if you're a guy, you can do this and make money from it. Lately, lots of guys are making money from styling females' hair, from being stylists, from braiding, from wigging. The guys are making cool cash in the female dominated business line. Okay, so you could be one of the few male in this business and then you get to make money from it. All right, my superstar. So I'll be telling you everything you need to know about getting started. First, let's talk about figures because this is what is going to motivate you. Okay, Heidi, why are you saying I should learn wig revamping? This is why. Do you know that to revamp one wig, they charge about 8,000 naira? Yes, and this is something that you just add a few chemicals to wash and then you use a few materials, and before you know you are done and you make your money. Imagine if a client comes with about 5 weeks. Ladies can have weeks. Imagine if a client comes with about 5 weeks and you charge 8,000 naira. That is about 40,000 naira made from wig revamping just before your eyes. Okay, and in a month, if you're able to revamp about 20 weeks, okay, that is 160,000 naira from wig revamping. That is like someone's salary somewhere. Someone who runs kitikata kitikata to the office, does this, got that, does that. You sit in one place and then you make it in a short period of time. That is good money, my superstars. And I think you should pay more attention to it. Okay, my superstars. So wig revamping simply involves using shampoo, okay, to wash wigs, but a unique type of shampoo. Is not just any shampoo they use to wash wigs, okay. It involves using shampoo and then you treat the wigs. You add hair treatments, you condition it, and then it goes through a series of processes. Then you dry the wig. By the time it dries, you now go to styling. You use things like a hot comb heat. You could use a straightener, you could use a coiler to coil the hair depending on the texture and the style of the hair. Okay, so these materials are just materials that you could buy once, and then for the treatment, you could buy them once and use them for about 10 times before it gets to finish, or even more depending on how you use it. You could use it. Okay, so you buy the materials once and then you use it over and over again. So virtually you're almost like doing the treatment free, okay. And then you have your coilers or your straighteners. Those ones you don't need to buy them again, it's just there. So these are the few materials you need. So you could, once you learn, you could do get the material the first time, okay, and then you use it to revamp hairs. All right, so you have to put yourself out there, advertise on your social media platforms so that people get to know what you are doing. And in order to have people coming back, you need to do a good and a thorough job. Okay, you need to do it well. So you need to take learning very seriously. Watch videos on YouTube and try it out on your wigs before you start collecting people's wigs to do it for them. By the time you do a perfect job, you will have recommendations and then people will keep coming back and then you make money. All right, my superstar. So you don't need a shop, you don't need a salon to do revamping. From the comfort of your home, you can start a wig revamping business and then grow from there. All right, my superstar. So do you see why I'm very particular about this revamping thing? It's because the startup capital is very, very low. Okay, if you have about 20,000 naira, you can buy those treatments. Okay, and then if you have about another 20,000 naira, you could buy your coiler and your straightener. So let's say about 50,000 naira plus or minus, you could get started in this business and then make money from the comfort of your home. Right, my superstar? So, will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and then I'll get back to you. Once you try it, my superstars, let me know, okay? So I can send my wigs to you. Okay, so you can do it for me and then I'll look good and then I'll come here and say, hey, my wig was revamped by a superstar, ST. Okay, all right, my superstars, I'm so excited right now because I can just imagine it. All right, so let me know when you get started. I'm rooting for you, my superstars. You can start someday. I hope this video motivates you to get started on this and then make money. All right, my superstars. Thank you for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Till our next video, always and always know that I love you. Mwah. Bye, superstars.